Ready to supercharge your WhatsApp customer support with a collaborative dream team using Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Team or Agent section located in the sidebar menu. This will take you to your Agent Management Hub. Next, look for the Add Agent button, usually found at the top right of the screen. Give it a click to begin adding a new team member. Now, you'll see the Add Agent form. Fill in the necessary details such as the agent's name and email address. Make sure the email address is accurate, as this is where they will receive their invitation. Choose the appropriate role for your new agent from the drop-down menu. Roles determine the level of access and permissions they have within Aisensy. Consider admin for full access, agent for handling conversations, or supervisor for managing agents and reports. Below the role selection, you might find a section for fine-tuning specific permissions. Customize these settings based on your team's workflow and the agent's responsibilities. This ensures they have the right tools without unnecessary access. Finally, double-check all the entered information and then click the Send Invitation button. Aisensy will then send an invitation to the agent's email address with instructions on how to set up their account and join your team. The newly added agent will now appear in your agent list with a status indicating that they are awaiting to accept the invitation. Once the agent accepts the invite and sets up their account, their status will update, and they'll be ready to start collaborating.